Forget about the cloud backups, Microsoft accounts and the forced telemetry. Most people think that when you buy a massive new NVMe SSD, you have to start from scratch. They think a clean install is the only safe way, but no. A clean install isn't a fresh start. It's an engineered hassle designed to push your personal files into the Microsoft cloud and waste your time. Your operating system is not just a generic platform, it's a highly customized digital environment. It holds your configurations, your encrypted keys, and your exact workflow. If I lose my setup, I lose my capability. I'm not going to spend 1 week reinstalling all my games, configuring local servers, hunting down drivers, and recovering forgotten license keys just because I wanted faster SSD. Reinstalling Windows takes hours, it risks data loss, and it forces you to play by their rules. But what if you didn't have to? What if you could rip the entire architecture of your operating system from your old drive and inject it directly into a new one? System, hidden settings, boot partitions, and data migrated exactly as they are, without reinstalling a single thing. Today, we're going to execute a perfect Windows migration. Let's log in and let me show you what you can do. Give me a random drive and a few minutes. Your upgrade nightmare is about to disappear. Before we move the system, you need to understand what you're actually trying to bypass. You cannot just plug in a new drive, open File Explorer, and drag your C drive over to the new one. An operating system is deeply rooted in the physical sectors of the hardware. When your computer boots, the motherboard's UEFI doesn't look for a Windows folder. It looks for the EFI system partition. It looks for the master boot record, and it looks for cryptographic signatures that tell the hardware exactly where the kernel is hiding. If you just copy files, you're left with a completely unbootable drive. This is exactly why the traditional method is a trap. The industry wants you to download a new ISO, flash a USB drive, format the new SSD, and install Windows from zero. Then they want you to log into their servers and pull down your data. To beat the system, we have to exploit the architecture of data storage itself. We stop thinking about files, and we start thinking about raw sectors. This brings us to the absolute undeniable software override. We're going to use EaseUS software for system migration. When you migrate an OS, you face 3 massive risks: privacy breaches, data corruption, and boot failure. EaseUS eliminates all 3 because it maps out your physical hardware. Here's how we execute the extraction. We select System Mode, and the algorithm instantly identifies your Windows partition, the hidden boot sectors, and the recovered drives. It knows exactly what the motherboard needs to see to authorize a boot. We select our new drive as a target, and we hit Proceed. That's it. The software logs the partitions and begins a disk clone. Once the process bar hits 100%, the clone is complete. Now we can unplug the USB, plug it into another laptop, and boot from the system I just cloned. The screen lights up and Windows boots immediately. No setting up your device screens or configuration menus. Your desktop, your files, your background, everything is exactly where you left it, just running exponentially faster. Hours of frustrating setup time bypassed in a matter of minutes. If there is one thing you should take away from this video, let it be this: your data, your setup, and your time belong to you. You do not have to accept the corporate method of reinstalling and relying on the cloud. If you're upgrading to a larger SSD, migrating your OS, or trying to save a failing hard drive before it completely dies, you need a tool that respects your local environment. EaseUS Disk Copy delivers reliable cloning with guaranteed bootability. Click the link in the top of the description and pinned comment to download EaseUS Disk Copy. Make sure to use the limited time discount code DATASAFE to get up to 30% of your license. Protect your environment and upgrade your hardware the smart way. To conclude, if you want to truly master your hardware, you must first control your software. Now hit that subscribe button and drop a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.